tell me if you think I give a fuck. You have to understand, boy. I need all the food. Oh, come on. Try it.
Secrétaire, je vais mettre.
Hmm?
Je vais mettre avec secrétaire.
Bah c'est pas secrétaire là, c'est Ron.
C'est son frère.
Don't be silly. Coochie coochie coo. Freaking.
Wait, this dude pulling off these Bruce Lee moves. What the? Yeah, check his ass, Unc. Come on, Unc. Come on, Unc. I don't know.
Work all day, and then I wake up. Work all day, and then I wake up. Work all day, and then I wake up. Work all day. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Damn. Pick a number from 1 to 10. Really? Yes. 10. 10 seconds? Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in. In the Bobby world.
Coffee, spelled backwards, is EFOC, which is funny, because until I've had my coffee, I don't give EFOC about anything.
Are we enemies?
No.
Are we friends?
No.
Are we gay?
Yeah.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
You should stop. But that's different from this. It's not different. You're gonna gain weight. I'll be fine. A butter school won't make me fat. Hey, you're already fat. I can't stand
Yo, boom. The king goes. Skitty Cops don't like me.
A cop asked me what's my name and don't lie. And I'm asking officer why. Why you wanna mess with a brother like me when you know I'm living legit?
Oh, come on. Try it.
I'm scared.
Don't be silly. Coochie coochie coo.
So cute. So cute.
This is the police. The sharp edge are approaching.
Wait, Yuri, something's wrong.
If you don't shut the fuck up.
Is your baby crying? I'll make them stop. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go sleep, little pig. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Go get time
for you.
Morning.
Good day to you, sir. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
Yeah. Beat that, Gramps.
Gramps, I'm in my 20s.
Yeah, 1920s.我们一生注定是沧桑，苦之来要笑着走。
Listen to the melody of your destruction.
This is not a boat. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shit.
Par exemple, mon maman, elle est devenue verte.
Stop patting my back like I'm your homeboy. Oh, I see it.
Man, what the? The blue one heals you, and the red one makes you handsome. Okay. But then you explode. Damn.
First time in Texas, and you can't wait to check it out, right? But as soon as you step outside,
What the fuck was that?
Shurikens. Apples. This is my brother Bill. Have you seen?
Oui, ça va.
So very...